This video will show you how to adjust the various sound settings on the infotainment system, including premium sound settings if equipped. To configure the sound settings on the infotainment system, press Setup, then Sound. Here you can configure the settings as desired, including position, tone, guidance, active sound design, which is available on select EVs, radio noise, driver assistance, and connected devices. Premium sound features can include Meridian Horizon Customization, Meridian Intelli-Q, and Startup Maximum Volume Limit, and several others. You can adjust each to meet your personal preferences. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to Kia Features and Functions Video's YouTube channel or the Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.